P100 S. Pack for the general support to organizations. The activities of any organization share both common and transversal needs. For instance, needs regarding the treatment of documentation and events, occurrences, relevant to the management and control of associated tasks and expenses. The Pack P100 S offers that general support right from the start, with 3 modules related to the document issue. 1 module for document management in general. 1 for the treatment of office items, along with their specific needs in terms of incoming and outgoing items, and their internal circulation, including administrative acts. And another one for the management of libraries, titles, in a broad sense, that is, to manage the multiple types of files possessed by organizations, and not only libraries, or books, and magazines. Regarding the control and management of events, occurrences, tasks and expenses in general, there are 2 modules. 1 for internal and external services, registration and follow-up of occurrences over the web. And another one oriented to the control of times, tasks, and expenses. All of these modules work in an integrated way, and in the cloud, without having to install anything. Let's look at a synthesis of them.
M505. Document management on the web. A good document management is becoming increasingly essential to organizations. And being on the web makes all the difference. It's available anytime, anywhere, to any authorized party. This module supports the upload of documents onto the cloud, along with the registration of several attributes for their characterization, as well as their view and/or download. The classification of such documents, according to the codes set by the organization. The association of thematic descriptors to such documents, to reinforce regular search facilities. The definition of the accesses allowed, particularly in terms of who can have access, and what can be done in relation to the documents accessed. Connections of the documents to several subsystems, linking them to organizations, people, departments, contracts, products, and to many more items. The association of events, administrative acts, and procedures to documents. Multiple outputs and statistics.
M510 Office and Document Management. This module supports incoming and outgoing office items of the organization, their circulation among departments, as well as the administrative acts and proceedings related to those items. Multiple supporting outputs, such as protocols, distribution lists, transport waybills, and so on. The classification of such office procedures, according to the codes set by the organization. The association of thematic descriptors with such office procedures, in order to strengthen regular search facilities. The attachment of scanned documents, files, and links in general. Multiple outputs and statistical reports. Therefore, this module ensures, in this context, a first-level document management.
M520. Libraries, titles. This module is aimed at the management of libraries and titles in general, from the thematic organization to the record of titles, their circulation and their loans, highlighting the record of titles in general and their connection with names, authors and others. Control of copies and inventory. Circulation and loans. Setting of genres, thematic organization and descriptors. Presentation, style, graphics, accessories and collections. Record of names, authors and others. Classifications and statistics. description of all types of works, from books and magazines to movies, shows, etc. The fact that many organizations keep libraries even if only for magazines and technical books to support their activity.
M350. Helpdesk, web-based support services. This module supports services regarding requests from both external and internal customers, with highlights to the accreditation of internal and external customers, including the general public, so as to make use of such services. The registration of occurrences, tickets, directly by the customers over the web. The follow-up of such occurrences, tickets, also over the web, by the customers, until they have been solved. The registration, by whoever provides the service, of the events associated with the life cycle of each occurrence, ticket. Registrations of, for instance, the forwarding of requests, search and implementation of solutions, as well as the submission of answers. The classification and statistics of tickets. The review and treatment of tickets in terms of the QMS, quality management system, including the comparison of the statistical data obtained with the goals of the QMS. M340. Timesheets. This module supports the planning and control of times, with emphasis on the planning and control of the activity times of people and equipment, as well as interventions on them and tasks associated with them. Intervention sheets, activity reports and statistics. Imputation of times to projects, contracts or tasks either internally or to third parties. Although the focus is on the times, both expenses and consumption associated with them may also be registered. Enables the imputation of costs, and may generate internal or third-party billing. Multiple outputs and statistics.